welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, I'm the Miss Nicole Marie, and today we're going to be doing the first Sunday reset of the year. It is literally the first Sunday of the year since we started on a Monday, and I'm excited. I have so much to clean and get through. You'll see my entire room is pretty much a mess. I've been traveling. I've had family staying over. I had family staying in my room, so I moved to a guest room, and I have a lot to reset and put back. So we're gonna mostly do my bedroom, bathroom, and closet area for today. So let's get in and let's refresh our week and our year. So let's get into this video. Alright, so we're going to start off here and open up the window, get some light in, time for cleaning, refresh, and my plants really need some sunlight. We're also going to water them because the past couple weeks they probably haven't been watered. And we're going to go ahead and clean up some of these candles. We got the Christmas candles that I'm putting away. And I kind of do seasonal candles, so I do have a big box. This is my fall and winter candle box. I do have a separate summer and spring box, which I will have to go out and put those out on the whole living room, kitchen, dining room, bedroom, all of that. But for now, we're just gonna put these away, get them organized, and get them all out. Putting these back away in my closet, and I realize how much of a mess my closet is. Oh my gosh. It is just packed. I've got bags to unpack. I've got clothes all over the floor, and things are just a little crazy. So I'm gonna start cleaning this up, picking up some of the things that are laying around on the floor, and we're gonna get to reorganizing here. So it's gonna be a long one for the closet, but we need to reorganize my shoes. I want to fit them all on my shoe rack. So we're gonna reorganize, and I also am giving 2 pairs away to Goodwill. So kind of decluttering at the same time. So I'm organizing my loafers, sandals, and shoes onto each shelf. On the upper shelf, I'm gonna put the heels that I own and some of the more like staple piece purses that are a little bit more designer. And then we have this little cubby that is under the stairs, and I store all of my luggage in here, all of my boxes for some of the other items that I don't need out of season. So I'm putting those back away, putting all of my luggage back there, and kind of reorganizing that. So we have a nice little storage space back there, which I definitely use for a lot of miscellaneous items, and just reorganizing my little tote bags and my beach/pool bag as well. My grandma has left some of her luggage here. My parents usually take that back home with them when they drive back up to Michigan. So for now, I'm just going to store it in this little cubby until it is ready to make its journey back up. Put my laundry basket back, and then we're going to get to organizing, putting the toilet paper away, and I literally just stick it on the shelf for when I need it. So my cleaning supplies and random miscellaneous items again on this shelf. Now I'm going to quickly go through, kind of zoom up this part, and I'm going to put away all of my clothes. All of my clothes are kind of sorted in a different direction than I normally do, since I made some space for my grandma to have room in the closet. And I'm also getting rid of a few things that I don't wear ever and giving them to Goodwill. How I organize this is I usually go in and put all of my going out tops in the front, and then I'll categorize it with my work tops and blazers, jackets, cardigans behind that. And then the top row is going to be all the sweaters and dresses. So it's kind of got a system going on, and it's looking pretty good. Next up, it's time to do all of my dresser items. I have a big stack of laundry that was cleaned and folded and just sat on the bench. So putting that up, and we need to put stuff back into the drawers since I had cleared it out again for my grandma to use some space in there while she was staying. So I have my pajama shirts, t-shirts, and tank tops in the first drawer, and then I have more activewear, sweatpants, and stuff like that in the second drawer. And putting literally everything away and reorganizing, making sure they're all nicely folded. Below here we have all of my jeans and denims, and I found some more random tops that I had in here that I have to go put back in the other drawer. So these are basically all of my work pants, jeans, shorts, a couple skirts as well. Next drawer, I cleared this one out and put sweaters in here earlier, but I don't usually wear these ones, so I'm gonna put other sweaters that I normally use all the time, and then I will put all of my sweaters that I don't wear as often into the bench. And I'm just reorganizing the bench so I can put the sweaters back in. I have some golf clothes that I have in here, and some of the Christmas pillows I'm gonna plop in here as well. So everything is a little bit more organized. I can access the sweaters if I need to. And we'll see if I use those sweaters again. They might be going, some of them might be going to Goodwill next year, but I'll hang on to them for now. Then I still needed to put some of my Christmas stuff away. So this is a little tongue scraper, if you saw my Christmas haul video, that I'm putting away, and some of my travel essentials as well. So just getting everything back into its place. Over here, this was the other nightstand where I kind of stored all of my miscellaneous stuff for a while. And another Christmas item, I have to put away my Simple Modern 40-ounce tumbler. And we're gonna just unbox that and put it right into the kitchen so I can start using it whenever I need it. So we are going good. Next up, we are organizing my nightstand and just putting everything away back into the drawers and getting rid of some of the, random water bottles that you accumulate. So just cleaning that up, and then we're gonna make the bed. So I have actually the sheets have been washed recently since my grandma was recently here, and we washed them before I obviously got back into bed. And so I just really, all I have to do is make the bed and put it back together. One of the last things that I have to do is take down my Christmas tree, which is very unfortunate because I absolutely love it. But I'm just putting away all the ornaments into their own box, and then obviously taking down the tree and putting it back into the garage, which is very sad. I absolutely love this tree, so I will miss it for the next 11 months out of the year. Alright, and we're struggling to put the tree back into the box. I really don't know how these things fit in there so well. Yeah, I definitely just squished it down and then I had to tape it up. So that was fun, but we did get it in there and back into the garage where it belongs. And don't forget to keep watering the plants. I have multiple, so we're gonna switch them out, put them back where they belong, and hopefully they are nice and hydrated for the next week or two. And the final thing that we have to do here is reset our calendar. I'm going to take down this 75 medium challenge that I had working on. The past week was just me traveling, so I really didn't do so hot in that form, but I did walk a lot, so I think it's evens out. I'm going to start the new year fresh. And we have to update the calendar, get rid of December, and bring back in January. So I'm just obviously adding in all of my January appointments, calendar items, and people who will be visiting in the month of January, which is a good amount, I will say. So yeah, after that, it is officially Sunday reset has been completed, and I absolutely love the feeling of being in a brand new clean room, and it just feels so much relaxing and stress-free. So here it is. Alright, so that's everything I have for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed this little Sunday reset and getting back on track for the brand new year. Definitely decluttering, organizing, cleaning, putting everything back into place, unpacking, and putting down some of the Christmas decorations. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!